So let's continue making our sling bag. This is part 2. We're going to make the front pocket. So these are the pieces you will need. They're all backed with medium weight interfacing, and we're going to start putting these together. So first let's take the zipper panels, and we're going to find the center of it, match it with the center of the zipper, and we're going to add our exterior and lining right sides together, pin, and then we're going to take it to the sewing machine and sew across to secure the zipper in place. Pull your exterior lining fabrics away from the zipper, finger press, or you can use your iron. Then you will take it back to your sewing machine and top stitch using a 1/8 seam allowance. For the other side of the zipper, I'm using one piece of fabric that is 2 inches wide, and then I'm going to fold it over to do the bottom part. So just follow along as I'm sewing here, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. I have a question for you. Did you watch the first part of this tutorial where I made the back pocket? If not, I will link that video to this one so you can catch up on the first part of this tutorial. Again, this is a 3-part series, so I'm going to make this is the front pocket that I'm making, and then in the next part you'll see how we put the pockets and the body together and finished bag. So follow along, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. If you're receiving value from this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up or a like. And if you're not subscribed, in order not to miss any of my uploads, you can subscribe. If you're using zipper tape and your ends are loose or open, you can stitch it closed, and then we're going to attach the gusset. So this is my exterior gusset, and I'm going to add it to one end of my zipper section, matching the raw edges. And then we can also attach the lining section. Make sure the lining and the exterior pieces are facing each other or right sides together. And then we're going to take it to our sewing machine using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. We're going to sew across the short edges.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control, the way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go.
place the pocket panels wrong sides together and sew all around using about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now we're going to attach our gusset to the pocket panel. So make sure your pocket panel is on the lining side out as well as your gusset, and match up the center of the zipper with the center of your pocket panel. And then you will pin all around, take it to the sewing machine and sew the two pieces together.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control, the way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowing me? Why would I go and hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? When I feel so empty without you.
You can bind the edges or use an overlock stitch, like I did here.
When I feel so empty without you.
So this is one of the main body exterior panels. I marked around the sides and the bottom at 1.5 inches, and I backed with foam. The foam is optional. I just wanted the exterior part that I'm attaching the pocket to be a bit more sturdy, and that is the reason for me adding the foam. It's your choice. Now I'm going to match up the pocket with the mark that I made around, and then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch the pocket piece in place about a 1/4 inch from the edge of the pocket. As you can see, I fold under the raw edges of the pocket, and now I'm going to stitch it in place. So here you have it. Your front pocket is now complete. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments section. I will link to the first video showing you how to make the back pocket also in the description. Give this a like and remember to subscribe so you don't miss the other parts. Next, I'm going to complete the back.